videos, and he is Guru Gopal Das, and the name of his book is Energize. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Dehati ma'am. Hope you are doing great, and this is Yashoda. And friends, as I told you, I'm going to show you my collection of books, the books which I have purchased so far. So let me tell you, I have purchased not only English book but also Hindi books, because earlier I used to read Hindi books. So I would like to tell you, before starting my English language learning journey, I was a person, still I'm a kind of person who is very intrigued to learn so many things, explore so many things. So that's why I started purchasing online books, and I always used Meesho app most of the times. Means 97% I used Meesho app to purchase all these books, and now I'm going to show you all these books. And after showing all these books, then the benefits which I got from those books, I'll let you know. So the first book which I'm going to show you is this one. Sorry. The name of this book is The Power of Subconscious Mind, and this book has helped me a lot. And the next book which I purchased is by, I always follow him. I do follow him, and I know that most of you definitely you have watched his videos. And he is Guru Gopal Das, and the name of his book is Energize Your Mind. And the next book is that I have. She's a famous lady whom I follow, and the name of that lady is Sudha Murthy. And this book is about her granddaughter, The Magic of the Lost Temple, and the name of her granddaughter is Anushka. And the next book is that I want to show you is The Alchemist. This book is really very helpful, and you should read, and you will learn a lot from these books. And the next book is by Sudha Murthy, written by Sudha Murthy, Wise and Otherwise. And the next book that I have is English Conversation Practice. So if you want to master communication skill, then this book is going to help you a lot. And if it's really very difficult for you to adapt a new habit, okay, to incorporate a new habit, then this book, believe me friends, I'm sure this book is going to help you. This book will definitely help you, because this book has helped me a lot. And the name of this book is Atomic Habits, because this book believes only on tiny changes and remarkable results. So I also got this book. It's been more than 1 year. And the next book which I want to show you is Gandhi, My Experiments with Truth. And the next book that I have, Sudha Murthy, written by Sudha Murthy, 3000 Stitches. You know, in all these books, Sudha Murthy ji, she has written only about her own life experiences, which she had throughout his life journey. And my first book, the first book from my books collection that I purchased, I purchased that book in Hindi too, but unfortunately, but now I think eventually I got to know all the vibes, all the things, and all the secrets behind getting this book in English. That is Rich Dad and Poor Dad. Actually, when I was fond of reading Hindi books, then I ordered that book, because I got to know about that book and I ordered. And unfortunately, at that time I was thinking that this book is going to be useless because I'm not able to understand. But later on, eventually, this book has helped me to improve my communication skill. And the next book, which will help you to fulfill your dreams, to accomplish your dreams, is The Secret. How this universe acts to accomplish your goal, to fulfill your goal. Just by following some rule, you will be able to do whatever you want to do, to get whatever you want to get. Okay, so the next book which is there for the intermediate or beginners is The Bird with Golden Wings. The Bird with Golden Wings, written by Sudha Murthy. Actually, I'm fond of reading Sudha Murthy's books. I have lots of books. And the next book is by Robin Sharma, Who Will Cry When You Die. And the next book that again I have, the next book, um, How I Taught My Grandmother to Read and Other Stories, written by Sudha Murthy. And this book, I have a love story by Eric Segal. And actually, this book is for the advanced speakers. So, who is at advanced level, they can get that book. And the next book, again, written by this great personality, Guru Gopal ji. Actually, I got these two books together, Life's Amazing Secrets. You will learn a lot through all those books. And this book is again Wise and Otherwise. And the next book, actually this book I purchased just 1 month ago, and this book is How to Talk to Anyone. This book will tell you the secrets how to talk to others, means 92 little secrets for big success. And the last but not the least, the last book that I have recently got, and I have been learning this book for 2 days, and the name of this book is The Art of Being Alone, because nowadays I'm feeling some problems. So because of this, I feel like living alone. So one day I was just watching some videos, and I got to know about that book. And this book is written by Renuka Gaurani, and this is really very good book. I think the reason that because of which you have to read this book is all about loneliness, and why being alone, it's not a punishment for you. If you don't feel like um getting in talking to people, you are kind of person who's introverts, then it's good. Whatever you are, what all personal qualities are there in your personality, you have to admit all these things. You have to embrace all these things. If there's any negative thing, then embrace it. Just take them some time and think about it. How many things do you like about yourself, and how many qualities are there that you don't like, right? And then face those qualities. Okay. And loneliness was my case, and solitude is my home. So this book is all about. And so far I have purchased these much books, you can see. And I have been reading these books. Sometimes when I don't get time, then I don't read. I wouldn't say that I read those books each and every day. When I don't get time, then I don't read. But whenever I get time, then I read these books. And nowadays I am reading this book, The Art of Being Alone. And I just want to say you only one thing. If you are a kind of person who is fond of reading books, then books are going to help you a lot. But the thing that you have to keep in your mind is, while purchasing all those books, that you should purchase books according to your interest. Actually, I'm a kind of a person who believes in spirituality and positivity. So that's why I again, means if I talk about my Hindi books collection, then I have only self-help books. So that's why I ordered self-help books, and especially books by Sudha Murthy ji, because these books, the stories written by her have inspired me a lot. So that's why I would prefer you just to purchase books and read books. If you feel like, then read books. Means I just want to say, if you follow what you like to do, then any journey will become easier for you. And if you're a kind of person who is on uh, this journey, who is working on your communication skill, then these books are going to help you. Because while reading all these books, now you are not going to get only lots of vocabularies, as well as you're also going to get so many sentences, and just you will also understand why this particular sentence has been used here, sorry. That's why then later on, then you will practice, you will learn vocabulary, you will use that vocabulary, and then this journey will become easier for you. So sorry, I have this much books. So just go purchase some books, online or offline, and enjoy this journey of learning this language. And Just keep only one thing in your mind, that learning English is not only one day's journey, it's a long life journey. It's a long life process, and we will meet tomorrow. Till then, bye bye.